Hey everyone, hope you're all doing well. So, do you want to know about Lavinia reviews? So, here we are going to update you with this unbiased review in this video. So, please stay connected with us. Also, if you wish to buy any product from this site, then please do watch this video. And if you have already experienced any fraud over this website, or if you have not received the product or got a damaged product, then please do watch this video till the end so that we can show you the way to get your money back. So, please stay tuned with us. Also, people from the United States and United Kingdom are very curious to know about this site. So guys, make sure to watch the full video and do not skip any part of it. So now we'll talk about this website. So this is an online shopping store which deals with cameras and laptops. They offer cameras from different brands and laptops from different brands, so you can check this out. Also, they've offered their products in their main homepage. So they've offered Canon and Sony cameras. Then there is HP laptop, Apple laptop, Dell laptop, Lenovo, and some others. So you can check this out by yourself. Next, we'll check the other details. So first, we'll check their payment method. So you can pay through American Express, Discover, JCB, MasterCard, PayPal, Visa, and some more. Now, if you want to know about the shipping policy, for that you have to go to the transportation policy base section and then check it. So here, as you can see, they have mentioned that under standard shipping, it takes 5 to 10 days for domestic zone, and internationally they ship their products within 7 to 15 days. But guys, before going further, it is requested from you all to like, share and subscribe to our channel. And also please do share your viewpoints in the comment section. So now we'll talk about the legitimacy factors with the help of which you can judge whether this website is a legit or a scam site. So this website is protected through HTTPS protocol and SSL integration to keep the details and transactions safe, which is a good sign of this website. Now talking about the domain information, this website was registered on 22nd of September 2021 and it is going to expire on 21st of September 2022, which means it is a very new website and hence it can't be trusted. Now we are going to discuss about the About Us details. So let's check the About Us information. But as you can see, when it comes to their About Us details, they have not given any information regarding their business establishment here or about their founder identity. So this is a negative sign. Now we'll check the contact details. So here, as you can see, they have only given the email address. They haven't given their full contact details. But the email address name also does not match the domain name, which is a negative sign of this website. Now talking about the social media presence of this website. So we have checked, but we didn't find their social media presence anywhere, which is a negative sign of this website. Now let's check the return policy. So here it has mentioned that if you want to return the product, you have to return it within 30 days. And about the refund. So here, as you can see, they haven't given the refund timing. So guys, please do comment about your experience in return or refund of the product. For return or refund issues, check our description area. There you will find the link through which you can solve your money issues. Now talking about the Lavinia reviews, we didn't find any single customer review of this website anywhere. Also, the TrustNext score of this website is only 1% and the business trust ranking is only 63.3%. And the content quality also seems to be totally plagiarized. So in the conclusion of the Lavinia reviews, this website appears to be a scam website. It is a new website. It does not have any reviews or any social media presence. Also, they haven't provided the full contact details and the trust score is also very poor. So it is a scam website. But we also recommend you to make a right decision after exploring well. So guys, if this review is helpful for you, then please do comment your thoughts about this video. We are always active in answering your comments. So do like, share, and subscribe to our channel and have a nice day.